Hello.
Good morning and welcome to today's Vlogmas. I'm not even pretend I know the days anymore. I don't. Me and Andrew are on our way to another different workout class. We are going to a place called Shred. Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
I'm freezing.
I'm not even wearing another coat.
I'm wearing shorts.
Okay. We are going to a workout class called Shred 415. And we're doing arms and abs. It's like a treadmill and weights-based workout, so
hitting all the glam muscles.
Hitting the glams! Because we're probably gonna do legs tomorrow at like Lifetime, the gym my parents go to, like and just lift ourselves and not take a class. So gonna get the upper body over with, my personal opinion.
That'll get started.
But we'll let you know how the class is, and hope you like these class reviews. I know Shred 415 is like a chain, so I know they're like everywhere, so this might be more helpful to some people if you would like to try one out. I have high expectations, I'm not gonna lie, because I follow this girl on Instagram named Maddie Martin. She has amazing playlists. She's a cycle bar instructor, which is why I follow her at first, but she also teaches at Shred 415, and she always has like great things to say. So I feel like it's gonna be pretty good, but we'll see. So we just got back from Shred 415. I guess it's pronounced Shred 415 because actually the reason it's called that, which was mind-blowing to us, was there's 4 different intervals of 15 minutes, like back and forth on the treadmill and the floor, which is why it's called Shred 415, because 4 15-minute intervals. So we're gonna do a review. Sitting here with my coffee. California mug, gotta represent. Oh my gosh, my voice just cracked. And then I'm having a 1 bar. I really like these protein bars. They're one of my personal faves. So overall, we both really liked the workout. I honestly liked that workout better than I liked the workout at Melt yesterday, which I'm very surprised about. I thought I was gonna like Melt better than this place, because this place is a franchise, and I like franchises sometimes, but like I don't know, I'm like, oh, I want to support a local studio, but franchises are technically local because they're independently owned and operated. The workout was really good. It was arms and abs. I recorded a few clips. So it was running for 15 minutes, then arms and abs for 15 minutes, and then we were in an express class, so 7 minutes more running, 7 minutes more of working out. And so I learned, because we talked to the owner and he was super nice. He was like, oh, where are you guys from? Really asked us about ourselves, and I work for Young Life, he's worked for Crew, and so it was like cool to connect on that. And he was just seemed like a really awesome guy. I asked him, I was like, what is the difference between this and like Orange Theory? Because it's very, very similar to like an Orange Theory. And he talked about like not having any screens or splat points, and it's kind of more like you versus you than you like comparing yourself. And then also each instructor gets to write their own workout, which I thought was really cool. And I really like the workout that she wrote. We did a lot of like single-sided stuff like that, and I just felt like there was no unnecessary moves, where when we took the Melt class yesterday, it just felt like some moves, it was like, I don't know, I was like, what is this working? Where like all the moves she had were like really great. We did a lot of shoulders, we did back, we did bicep, we did tricep, like we hit all the major muscle groups of the arms. And I'm more of like a simple gal when it comes to working out. I don't like crazy weird stuff. Sometimes HIIT classes have that. So I just thought it was good, simple. It was like seamless, back and forth. Their front desk was so nice, so kind, like showed us everything, made us feel super comfortable, super welcomed, and just like the overall vibes of the studio, you saw in the videos, like just had a cool vibe, dark in the room, really good music. I really liked the music. And just like overall, like a really solid workout. It was close to Andrew's house. It was just, I would give it, honestly, a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna say it. My ratings are very, very selective. The instructor didn't say anything weird. She wasn't super motivational, but she was super clear and concise on the instructions, and so like we knew what to do, but I also wasn't expecting to be inspired. So yeah, I thought that was really, really good. So my only feedback for the instructor was I thought she yelled a little bit in the microphone, and I've gotten this feedback as an instructor too before, so like I know what it feels like, where I was just like, oh, you have a mic, like you don't have to yell. There's a reason you have a mic, and so don't yell into it. But Andrew really liked that she was kind of yelling into the mic, because he said it was really clear and he could hear. Andrew sometimes complains about like SoulCycle instructors when they like talk into the mic like this. He's like, I can't hear what you're saying. So just goes to show like different strokes for different folks. I was kind of like, just talk clearly into the mic, but Andrew really liked that it was loud. So take your pick. But yeah, overall great workout. So I know Shred 415 is a franchise, so look up if there's one around you that's still supporting a local business in this time, and they really need the support. So check it out, highly recommend. If you like running and weightlifting, kind of getting it all done at once, we'll definitely probably be back to that one while we're staying at Andrew's parents' house, because it was just close. We booked on ClassPass. So yeah, it was awesome. Great job, you guys. And I'm glad I recorded some moves in there. So yes, I'm not sure what we're doing for the rest of the day. This is already a 5-minute clip. Yeah. I'll see if we vlog any more other things, but really this is the good content, right? Workout review. So, yeah, great workout. Started my day off great, even though I started my day at 11 and we worked out at 12, and now it's almost 2. So, gotta get my day rolling. Hello everyone, I'm back at my parents' house with my siblings, and we are gonna celebrate my birthday tonight, whatever that means, because my birthday was a long time ago. Hey. But we are going to make some chocolate chip cookies as a family, so we're just gonna bring you along for the ride. If you really want to see a lot of photos of me, look at our fridge. Actually, there's none of me up here. What the heck? But there's literally 17 of my little sister Christina.
There's one of you right here.
There's one of my sorority photos. Okay, we're just gonna make not even Christmas cookies. We're making chocolate chip cookies with my sister Laura, sister Catherine, sister Bean, and brother Sean. For those of you who don't know, I have 5 siblings, so there's a lot of us.
Not even all of us are here.
And not even all of us are here. It's just, actually, all my brothers are not here, so it's just all the sisses tonight.
Girls.
All the girlies.
Okay,
so we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. What did you do, Sean?
He is excited.
What did you do, Shawnee?
God, that's all his spit.
Sean!
Probably his feet, because his feet are wet from outside.
You butthole, you.
Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland.